Lesson 29. Light. We use the expression, the sun is shining, to talk about the sun emitting light. If the light is so strong that it's difficult to see, we can describe it as blinding sunlight. And if the light is not very strong, then it is weak sunlight. When the sun sets, disappears below the horizon, everything grows dark. If there's a full moon, then there will still be some light. But if there's a crescent moon or a new moon, then it will be pitch dark or pitch black, completely black, and you'll be able to see the stars twinkling in the night sky. To describe the strength of a light, you can use the words bright and dim. A fluorescent light bulb emits bright light, and the faint glow of a flickering candle is dim light. When light shines on an object, it makes the object cast a shadow. An area that is protected from the sunlight is often called the shade. If you don't want to get sunburned, it's a good idea to sit in the shade. We use the word lighting to refer to a system of artificial lights, especially inside a house or building. A place can have bright or strong lighting, or the opposite, soft or subdued lighting, a low level of illumination for artistic or romantic purposes. And along the highways and roads, we have street lights. If it's nighttime and the power goes out, or there is a power outage, a lack of electrical power, then the city will be plunged into darkness. You can describe the darkness as complete or total darkness to emphasize that it is 100% dark. People will have to use flashlights or light candles to be able to see, until the next morning when the sun rises or comes up. Listen and repeat to practice your pronunciation of the collocations about light. The sun is shining. Blinding sunlight. Weak sunlight. The sun sets. Grows dark. A full moon. A crescent moon. A new moon. Pitch dark or black. Stars twinkling. A fluorescent light bulb. Bright light. Faint glow. A flickering candle. Dim light. Cast a shadow. Sit in the shade. Bright or strong lighting. Soft or subdued lighting. Street lights. The power goes out. A power outage. Plunged into darkness. Complete or total darkness. Light candles. The sun rises or comes up. Now take the quiz to practice the collocations from this lesson.